My favorite place in the island, traveling from Alcudia to Pollensa, you will find a very small bay. It's called Bash. It's a beautiful place, no sand, only rocks, but the water is a really turquoise blue. Beautiful place to be. Mallorca, it's a cosmopolitan. Menorca, peace. Ibiza, fun. Formentera, nature. Well, we have beautiful places to navigate around the 4 islands. It's a perfect place to winterize your boat, either refit, repair, good connectivity. You can travel almost to all the places in Europe within 2-3 hours of airplane. Also, you have a good gastronomy, good wine, and I love, especially myself, I love the cognac. Well, it's not cognac, it's called Suau. It's made in Bunyola, and it's a beautiful, beautiful distillated